Hey, yeah, I've got an Abel four-wheel combination padlock here. It feels quite weighty, quite nice. It has a US patent number on the bottom. My wife has set this to a random combination using a random number generator. So I have no idea what it is. Combination padlocks fall into different categories where they're picked by different methods. Some of the bike lock type padlocks, you put tension on the shackle and then wiggle each wheel at each number to see which number's the loosest, and that's how you get the right combination. And other padlocks, you put tension on the shackle, see which wheel is the tightest to turn, and keep turning that wheel until it clicks into place. You might hear a click, or you might feel the shackle give a little bit, and often being in that gate, there will be lots of play in that gate, and you can quickly decode those type of combination locks. And you get another type of padlock like this, which is very similar, except it has false gates, so it puts you off. When you get a click, you think you might be onto the right number, but the padlock doesn't open. And the way you open these type of padlocks, again, tension the shackle, see which wheel is binding, that's hardest to move, turn it until you get a click. It may not be a true gate, it might be a false gate. Do that for each wheel, and if the padlock doesn't open, then at least one wheel is in a false gate. And you just pick on each wheel, turning it to each gate to see which gate has the most play. And the one that has the most, if it has a lot of play, then you move to the next wheel and then the next wheel, and you can open it. So that's what I'm going to try and do. It's this last wheel that's hardest to turn, and in fact, when I turn it, it seems to want to click into zero straight away, like it's a gate. I don't know if it's a true gate or a false gate. So I'm going to go to the next wheel. Okay, I felt something in the shackle. Again, one is a gate. I don't know if it's a true gate or false gate. Next wheel, zero. There's so many gates. I think with this lock, every second number on each wheel is a gate. So there's loads of false gates to put you off the scent. Last wheel, okay, so it's gone into a gate here at 1. So this obviously isn't the right combination because the padlock's not open. So I test each wheel. It's got some play, but not heaps. Okay, I'm going to, again, I'm going to start with this wheel. This is the wheel that was binding the most to start with anyway, and it seems to have the least play. I think with this lock it doesn't matter, I can pick on any wheel. I'm going to release tension, turn a little bit, tension it. See, the next, it goes from 1 to, from 0 to 2. Oh, that's got lots of play, so I think that's the right number there. Now I'll pick on this one. So it goes from 1 to 3. It's got play, but not lots of play, not like this one. I don't think. It's got quite a bit of play. Let's go to the next number and see. So comparing 5 and 3. Yeah, 3 has got more than 5, but I'm going to just go to all the false gates and see which one has got the most play. Not 7. Yeah, I think out of all the numbers, 3 on this wheel, 3 has the most. So I think it's 2 and 3. That doesn't have much play. Oh, that's got lots of play. So I think those last 3 are right. And now for this wheel, I should be able to just, and the lock's open. 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay, so it was fairly easy to home in on the combination on this lock once you know how, and quite a few locks that have false gates can be opened in this method. Not all of them, but quite a few. Thanks.